Planning a wedding and wondering where to start? Or perhaps you have started and are already feeling overwhelmed. At Niyara Weddings, we believe the wedding planning process should be as joyous as the celebration itself. That's why we've made it our mission to simplify every step of the wedding planning process so that you can focus less on the wedding logistics and more on what truly matters, building a strong foundation for your lifelong marriage. At the heart of it all, our goal is simple. We want to help you not only plan your wedding with ease, but also enjoy the entire experience. From the first checklist to the last dance. From choosing the right vendors to creating a seamless timeline. We work behind the scenes to ensure that every detail falls perfectly into place. After all, your wedding should be a celebration of love, not stress. But we don't just stop at making your days stress-free. We ensure that you and your guests have the time of your lives. We're not just planning a wedding. We're crafting a personalized and immersive wedding experience for you and for your guests. Our team is dedicated to making sure you enjoy every moment of your wedding day, from the vows to the after party. At Niyara Weddings, we're here to ensure that your wedding is not only memorable, but also effortless. Brides, grooms, leave the planning to us. You start on forever.